Normally, we all have a perception that in order to motivate your team members to work, you need to be exceptionally good at public speaking. You need to be a good speaker, someone with a bold voice and always energetic. But guess what? This is not true, right? Because maximum people are not like that. And it is absolutely normal and fine. In my opinion, in order to motivate your team members to work, I would use the word inspire your team members to work. You don't need to be always good at public speaking, or you don't need to be a very good speaker. So how do we do this? You must have heard a quote in business that your team members will not do what you only say. Your team members will do the work if they see that you are also doing the work. It simply means that they will not take action based on your words. They will take action when they see that you are also taking the action. There's a difference between fake motivation and real inspiration. I see so many people, even if they have reached a good place, they simply talk nonsense and illogical things. They feel that just talking anything will motivate the people, but unfortunately, it doesn't work like that. So, how to do this the right way? So, the very first thing you should start doing is lead by example. Show your team members how to work hard, how to persevere through tough challenges. And how can you show that? You can demonstrate that by showing strong work ethic and positive attitude. You can inspire them through your action, as action speaks more than your words. The second strategy could be, or the second tip could be, celebrate smallest wins. Acknowledge and celebrate team's accomplishments no matter how small it is. Recognizing their efforts and simple small success, that would boost their morale and confidence, which would motivate them to keep working hard. The third thing which you can do is set clear goals and expectation. Now, what do I mean by this? You need to make sure that your team knows what they are working on and what is expected of them. What are their roles and responsibilities? This can give a sense of purpose and direction, which is motivating in itself. For example, if I talk about my team, TLF creators, what we have done in our team, that we have given them a purpose. Now, we are in the network marketing industry. We are a group of people who all are doing network marketing business 100% online without convincing anyone. We have set clear expectation, we have given their goal, and we have given a purpose that we are on a mission to organize the network marketing industry. We are on a mission to professionalize the network marketing industry so that we build this business ethically, 100% online, without convincing anyone, in the right way. The fourth important thing which you can do to inspire your team members to work: offer incentives and rewards. You should consider offering incentives or rewards for reaching certain milestones or achieving some goals. This will give your team members something to strive for, and this can help keep them motivated enough to work. If I talk about my team, TLF creators, we have designed the work culture in such a way, we have given milestone. If somebody hits that, right, we have gamified the experience, which is allowing everyone to grow, right? If somebody hits that milestone, they get a reward from the management. So this itself is motivating enough to keep them working. The fifth, last but not the least, super important, that you need to create a supportive environment, supportive work environment for your team members. You need to focus on creating a positive and supportive work environment where your team members feel valued and supported. This will give them a feeling of belonging. Okay, they will stay engaged in their work, which will help them, which will keep them inspired and motivated to work. Motivation will not last, but your actions and the positive work environment will help them achieve their goals at their best. So if you focus on these 5 tips, 5 important points, then without being a good speaker, you will be able to inspire your team members to work. And if you are willing to work in such a team where these things are present, then you are most welcome to work with me in TLF Creators. If you want to know more about this, go to the first link in the description. You can apply to work with me. You can attend that session and understand how we work and how you can work with us. If you like this video, please share this video with your team members. And thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for supporting.